how hot is Mad Dog? Hold on. Where is it? Where is it? Mad Dog's Revenge.
That's warm. That's fucking hot, man.
And to this day, because of that, that is when I think I deserve a pint. That's what I have.
That was just a little bit.
Lime before lime, lime before lime. I don't care. Just give me a lime. All right. What are you up to? Something.
That's the initial rush.
Well, that's about the same as in the fall.
Next weekend going
Yeah.
I'm saying that's about the same as in the fall. That's right. That's zinging in there. The top of my tongue's gone numb.
That's only a tiny little.
It is a little bit. Oh, I can see people getting burnt with this stuff. I can handle it. Brave. More beer, more beer.
He consumed, get this, 56 feet of nettles.
Oh.
Good evening, Paul.
So,
I wouldn't do a decent drop on the tongue that fucking.
you wouldn't do a drop?
Nah.